Hi, this is April from wolfaliciousblogspot.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a collection through inLinkz.com on your page. So if you're confused, pages that I have made, when I click the Whole Brain Teaching page, it's going to come up. And when it comes up, there, okay. Once it comes up, you're going to see here at the bottom I have 4 pictures. So right here is where I'm talking about, these 4 pictures. These are a collection through inLinkz, and the collection is all the different posts that I've made about whole brain teaching. I've grouped together to put them on my page of the whole brain teaching page that I have on my blog. So that is what I'm going to show you how to do today. So first you need to go to inLinkz. So it's inLinkz.com. Once you get there, you need to sign in. Once you're in, you're going to click the button here that says the link manager. Okay, now when you first come up, you're going to have nothing over here. Okay, that's normal if you have nothing because you haven't added any links to any collections yet. So I'm going to show you. So up here, it says add a new link. That is where you need to click. And then I also opened my page that I wanted to put as part of my next collection. So I'm going to click that page and I'm going to highlight it and Command C on my Mac to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to the links manager, and at target URL, that is where I'm going to Command V and paste it. So now I have my URL of the page that I want. Okay, so now I have to name it. And when you click these boxes, over here it's showing you where it's going to be displayed at. Okay, so the name is what the people are going to see. So my name for this one is Distressed Table. And then you see when I click the description, that's the little icon, the info button. Oh, if I could type today. All right, the display name, what the people are going to see. Most of the time I do all of these the same, so I want them all the same. But you can change them according to what you would like. All right, now the next part is the tags. So in order to get tags, if this is your first time on here, you're going to click the yellow and you're going to type what you want as a tag. So I'm going to type distressed. And I'm going to click the plus, and then you see it came up here. Okay. Now, once you have all of them in there that you want, all the tags, you're going to click the tag box, and all of the ones you just put in, you're going to check. So I want distressed, and I want table, and I want tutorial. Okay. The next part, I need to select an image, and there's 3 different ways you can do that. You can select an image from the web page, or if you want to upload a picture, or if you have the image URL. I usually do the one from the web page. And you see these are all the pictures that are on the web page, and this is the one I want because that's what this blog is about. And then it's going to come up and I can switch it around to how I want it to look, and I click OK. And the picture's down here. So now once I click accept, as you can see, it's right here. Okay, so after you get all of your different pages together and you add the new link, they're going to be over here. So as you can see, I've already uploaded a whole bunch of them for all my tutorials because now I'm going to make a new collection. So I'm going to name this Tutorials. I thought grouping all the tutorials together would be easier for my readers to find them. And I'm going to describe it the same way, tutorials. Now, the columns, I can have up to 10 columns, or I can use to fill with. I think I want 4 columns. And then the thumbnail size, I'm going to go with 100. You can change that according to how you want it. Now, drop the links from the list on the right. That's what you have to do next. So I'm going to drag these over. So this is what will be in my tutorials collection, all these different tutorials that I've made. So I'm going to keep dragging them over here. And a few more I see. Okay, that's all. Now, I'm looking to see if that's how I like them. So I said 4 columns, so that means these 4 would be here. Do I want those all there? Yeah, that's okay, I think. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click Create. And then it says, okay, the collection is inserted, which means you did it correctly. So that's really great. And click OK. And then my new collection is right here. Okay. Now, if you need to update it, you click the pencil and you can add more to it. So that's what I plan on doing after I make another tutorial. I'll add the new link. It'll go over here. I'll open up this collection, and then I'll be able to add that one into this collection. So now I want to click this bracket. And I see my computer is thinking, there we go. So I want to get the HTML code. That's what you're going to need for the page you want it on. So once this comes up, I want to copy the code, would work for where you want it to be. So I have Command-C it, and now I'm going to click up here, go to my pages, and I have already set up a page called Tutorials. So I'm going to look for that page once it comes up. And I see that today is just going to be a slow day for my computer. Alright, so I'm scrolling to find tutorials. Here it is, right here. So I'm going to click Edit. And to this page, I've already titled it Tutorials. I've already added my signature. Now I'm going to go to the HTML. And up here, I'm going to enter the code. So I'm going to Command-V. And then I always like to look at it. There they are. See them all? And I'm going to write tutorials. I'm going to make the font a little bigger, and I like it in the middle. I'm even going, yeah, like that. And then I'm going to raise this up a little more. And then I'm done. So I'm going to click Update. And then I'm going to click Save Arrangement. So it's saved. And then after it saves, I always like going back to my blog and making sure that what I did worked. So now I'm going to refresh this page. And here is where it says Tutorials. Let's see, it's thinking again. And here is the page I created. Tutorials. And here are all the different tutorials that I have. So yes, it looks like it works, but I always like double checking. So I'm going to click the distress table. And yes, that did work. The link worked because it brought me to my post of the distressed buffet table. So there you have it. That is how to make a collection in inLinkz. Thanks for joining me. Join me at wolfalicious.blogspot.com. Bye.